For a reliable, affordable and professional service for all your domestic appliances, call or visit Abbey Electrical. With over 30 years experience, our family-run business can supply and repair all your electrical equipment. If you're looking for energy-efficient washing machines, tumble dryers or electric cookers, we stock most leading brands. We stock a range of spares and accessories in our store, together with a choice of reconditioned appliances. There's a 3-month guarantee on all our repairs, no call-out charges. Plus, we'll remove your old equipment free. Email us or call us at Abbey Electrical.